Hey there, universe nerds. Tonight, we're peeking into some of the most magical places in the cosmos. Stellar nurseries. These are giant clouds of gas and dust where stars are born, the cradles of cosmic creation. If galaxies are the cities of the universe, then stellar nurseries are the maternity wards where new suns ignite and entire solar systems take shape. They're stunning to look at and essential to understanding how the universe renews itself. Stellar nurseries are made of cold, molecular hydrogen gas mixed with dust. They can span dozens to hundreds of light years across. On their own, they look like dark clouds, but under the right conditions, gravity takes over. Parts of the cloud collapse, fragmenting into clumps that heat up and form protostars. These baby stars eventually ignite nuclear fusion, shining for the first time. Every star you've ever seen, including our sun, began its life in such a nursery billions of years ago. Some of the most famous stellar nurseries are cosmic icons. The Orion Nebula, visible with even a small telescope, is a bustling star factory just 1,300 light years away. The Eagle Nebula's pillars of creation are towering columns of dust where stars are actively forming. The Carina Nebula and the Tarantula Nebula are even larger, filled with hot young stars lighting up their birth clouds. These regions are both breathtaking works of art and laboratories for studying cosmic creation. The birth of stars is not a quiet process. As protostars form, they send out powerful jets of gas called Herbig-Haro objects. These jets carve through the clouds, sculpting the nebula into strange shapes. Meanwhile, the most massive young stars shine so brightly they blast their surroundings with radiation, blowing bubbles and triggering more star formation nearby. Stellar nurseries are dynamic and chaotic, a mix of destruction and creation all at once. Stellar nurseries don't just make stars, they also make planets. As gas and dust swirl around young stars, they form protoplanetary disks. Within these disks, dust grains stick together, growing into rocks, then planetesimals, and eventually planets. Every solar system begins this way, including ours. Looking at stellar nurseries is like looking back in time, seeing the early days of Earth and all its siblings taking shape. Not all stars are born equal. Most nurseries form many stars at once, creating clusters that range from a few dozen to thousands of stars. Some of these clusters stay bound for billions of years, while others quickly disperse into the galaxy. Massive stars live fast and die young, exploding as supernovae within millions of years, while smaller stars like red dwarfs can shine for trillions of years. Stellar nurseries are cosmic lotteries, producing stars of every type. Over time, the intense radiation and winds from newborn stars blow away the remaining gas, dispersing the nursery. After a few million years, the nebula fades, leaving behind a cluster of stars shining in the dark. Our sun's birthplace has long since disappeared, scattered into the galaxy. But by studying living nurseries, astronomers piece together the story of how our solar system and life itself began. What makes stellar nurseries even more fascinating is their role in the galactic ecosystem. They recycle material. When massive stars explode, they enrich the gas with heavy elements, carbon, oxygen, iron, which are crucial for planets and life. Those enriched gases feed the next generation of nurseries. In this way, galaxies breathe, Stars are born, live, die, and seed the clouds that give rise to new stars. It's a never-ending cycle of cosmic renewal. Looking forward, new telescopes like the James Webb Space Telescope are already giving us unprecedented views inside these dusty cradles. Webb's infrared vision pierces the veils of dust, revealing baby stars hidden from ordinary sight. Each new image is like peeking into a nursery where suns are taking their first breaths. With these tools, we're not just studying stars, we're witnessing the story of creation itself. So what are stellar nurseries? They're the places where stars, planets, and even the ingredients of life begin. They're chaotic, beautiful, and essential. Next time you see a nebula glowing in the night sky, remember, it's not just a cloud of gas. It's a cradle of stars, the birthplace of worlds, and a reminder that the universe is constantly renewing itself.